Yes, everything is about kidney health, and here's why. Your kidney is what eliminates metabolic waste or acids out of the body. When you have a health issue, it's usually due to mucus blockage and stagnant acids affecting the tissue, organ, and glands. So the kidneys are the primary way the body gets rid of metabolic waste. If it's not working properly, you will back up the acids, and acids will affect organ, tissue, and glands, in this case, the liver. So if you have a liver problem, you have to get the kidneys to work properly. That's the only way you're going to move the acids and stagnant mucus affecting the liver. You can use herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach, and bowels, and then add a herbal tincture for the liver and the pancreas. But if you don't fix the kidneys, you can't fix the liver. It's that simple. Because every single cell is made up of blood and lymph. The kidneys is what filters the lymph system. The lymph system is what removes waste, metabolic waste from your cells. If it's not working properly, the lymph system backs up and causes health issues. That's why we always target the kidneys. Fix the kidneys, get it filtering properly, and the liver will heal itself.